In this video, you'll learn how to design a professional 3D logo using AI, completely free. Start by opening ChatGPT and using the prompt provided in the description below. Simply replace the word eagle with your own brand name or text, then hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a detailed, high-quality prompt for your logo. Once it's ready, copy the prompt. Next, go to ideogram.ai and sign in with your Google account. After logging in, paste your prompt into the generator and click Generate. Within a few seconds, AI will create multiple logo options for you. If you don't like the results, you can adjust the prompt or regenerate to explore more designs. Once your logos appear, choose the one you like the most. To download it, just click the download button and your logo will be saved to your device. And that's it. You've created a professional AI-generated logo for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.